So today we're going to demonstrate how to put a narrow pump into a narrow bodied manifold. So we're going to go over here and make sure your cartridge adapter is completely taken out of the manifold and it's attached to the pump. So we're going to go ahead and slide it in and push it into the slot. Then from there you should be able to just kind of hand tight the cartridge. Now that you have it like that, another thing that you want to make sure that you're doing is you can see here the electrical connector is actually getting caught on the manifold. So what you want to do is go ahead and rotate the pump just enough to where it comes out of that spot where it's getting stuck. And then we can take our wrench and we can tighten it the rest of the way down. There you go.